The hidden danger of algae, how it affects fish ponds, and what you can do. A fish pond is often seen as a peaceful, self-sustaining ecosystem, but beneath the surface, a green invader may be silently threatening everything within. Algae, a natural part of any pond, can quickly grow out of control. When it does, it can turn your pond from a thriving aquatic haven into a toxic, fish-killing trap. But how can something so small cause so much damage? Chapter 1. The role of algae in ponds. Algae are simple plant-like organisms that live in water. In small amounts, they help oxygenate the water and provide food for aquatic life. But when excess nutrients, especially nitrogen and phosphorus, enter the pond, algae multiply rapidly. This is called an algal bloom. Chapter 2. The hidden dangers. At first, it just looks like green water. But soon, the consequences become deadly. At night, algae consume oxygen, leaving your fish gasping for air. And when algae die, their decomposition uses even more oxygen, a double blow to your fish. Worse still, certain algae release toxins, turning your pond into a chemical danger zone for both fish and humans. Chapter 3. How to fight back. So what can you do to protect your pond and your fish? Tip 1. Manual removal. Physically remove visible algae before it spreads. Tip 2. Balance the nutrients. Avoid overfeeding, clean out organic waste, and reduce fertilizer runoff into the pond. Tip 3. Add beneficial plants. Floating plants reduce sunlight and absorb nutrients algae need to grow. Tip 4. Install aeration. More oxygen and better circulation means less algae and healthier fish. Tip 5. Use barley straw or dye. Barley straw naturally limits algae. Pond dyes can also shade the water, slowing algae growth. Chapter 4. The bigger picture. Controlling algae isn't just about water clarity, it's about preserving life. By keeping algae in check, you're giving your fish the healthy, balanced environment they deserve. This green invader may be small, but your knowledge is bigger. Fight back, protect your fish, and keep your pond alive. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and share. Let's build smarter, healthier ponds together.